One of the fastest ways to sound like a native Turkish is to know some slang words that are used in everyday life. These words will not only help you sound like a native Turkish speaker, but also they will help you understand Turkish natives, so you can fit in the Turkish culture a lot easier. In this video, you are going to learn 10 common Turkish slang words. If you want to get the summary of this lesson, we have prepared a free PDF document for you. You can click the link below and you can download it for free, so you can study them later again. Alright, let's start with a word that you will hear all the time in Turkey. Lan. It's by far the most frequently used slang word in Turkish, and actually it's an exclamation word. It's kind of similar to the usage of man or dude in English. However, both women and men can use it casually when talking with friends. I must say that it's not a polite word a gentleman or lady would say, and some people overuse it.
Bu ne lan?
Ne bileyim lan ben. İlk defa gördüm.
Hocam kusura bakmayın ama. Lan tesadüfe bak. Ajan bacımın dersiymiş. Hocam kusura bakmayın ama. Lan tesadüfe bak. Ajan bacımın dersiymiş.
Kanka is a common word used among teens in Turkey. It's actually a short version of kan kardeşi, which means blood brother or sister. But the right equivalent in English would be dude or buddy. Be careful, only close friends address each other in this way, and most grown-ups don't like using this word because they find it a little bit cringe. You can also hear people saying kanki to each other, but don't get confused, they mean the same. Kanki is just a little bit cuter than saying kanka.
Oo kanka neredesin ya?
Tatildeydim kanka, yeni döndüm.
Vallahi kanka, bak ben bir pantol almışım. Nasıl bir pantol biliyor musun? Böyle bir pantol daha dünyada yok. Vallahi kanka, bak ben bir pantol almışım. Nasıl bir pantol biliyor musun? Böyle bir pantol daha dünyada yok.
Bu telefon çok dandik. Hemen şarjı bitiyor. Dandik. It's one of my favorite slang words in Turkish. It's used to describe things that are low quality. For example, if you are tired of your phone because it's not working well or something, this word can clearly communicate your frustration. So, you can use dandik to criticize the condition or performance of an object. It is similar to describing something as crappy in English.
Gerçekten baksana çok zevksiz ya. Dandik bir ceket. Yani bana parasız versen giymem. Gerçekten baksana çok zevksiz ya. Dandik bir ceket. Yani bana parasız versen giymem.
There are a few words that mean free in Turkish. The most common one is bedava, or you can also say ücretsiz. But the slang word for free is beleş. It literally means freebie in English. Here is an example. Saati ne kadar aldın?
Beleş. Para istemediler.
Benim abim kahveci. Biz çaya para vermiyoruz, beleş. Benim abim kahveci. Biz çaya para vermiyoruz, beleş.
Jülde bak. Ne var orada?
Çakal, niye aldın benim gofretimi?
Sen çok yedin.
As you understood from the example, çakal is said to someone who is good at deceiving people to achieve whatever they want. The literal translation of çakal is coyote. For example, your mom asked you and your sibling to clean the house, but your sibling is pretending to be sick so that she or he can skip the cleaning. In this case, you can call your sibling çakal.
Çakal banko maçı yakaladı, bak nasıl bakıyor bak. Bak nasıl bakıyor çakal. Çakal banko maçı yakaladı, bak nasıl bakıyor bak. Bak nasıl bakıyor çakal.
Ekmek, but not this one. You probably know what ekmek is as a noun. It's bread, right? But as a slang, it means to stand someone up or to teach plans with them. For example, if you canceled a meeting with your friends to do something else, you can say, bugün onları ektim. Sevgilimle buluşacağım. Bugün onları ektim. Sevgilimle buluşacağım. Sazan is actually a type of fish, but in slang, it's used to describe people who believe in everything they hear. These type of people are easy to trick because they trust people easily and they don't question what they are saying. Yeni bir kızla mı konuşuyorsun?
Evet. Çok zenginim. 10 tane Rolls Royce'um var dedim. İnandı Sazan.
Tam Sazan ya.
Oğlum böyle şeylere inanmayın ya. Her duyduğunuzda böyle her sosyal medyada gördüğünüzde böyle hemen atlamayın sazan gibi ya. Oğlum böyle şeylere inanmayın ya. Her duyduğunuzda böyle her sosyal medyada gördüğünüzde böyle hemen atlamayın sazan gibi ya.
Vallahi mı? Vallahi mı? This is a very common Turkish phrase that you see Turkish people use all the time. It's originated from the Arabic word wallahi, meaning to take a vow. In Turkish, it's shortened to valla, which means the same thing as really or I swear. And when it is used as a question, valla mı means really. So you can use valla mı when you don't believe in something or when you get surprised. Elif geçen ay evlendi.
Vallahi mı? Hiç duymadım.
Hatta şöyle söyleyeyim, eğer bu iş olursa düğün de benden.
Vallahi mı? Söz mü?
Söz değil. Hatta şöyle söyleyeyim, eğer bu iş olursa düğün de benden.
Vallahi mı? Söz mü?
Söz değil.
Another word that is very common in younger generation is manita. Manita simply means lover. It's mostly used by men to refer their girlfriends, but also it can be used by women to refer their boyfriends. Akşam geliyor musun?
Gelmiyorum. Manita ile buluşacağım.
Size manita diyebilir miyim?
Diyebilirsin.
Size manita diyebilir miyim?
Diyebilirsin.
Gıcık. Gıcık simply means annoying. You can use it for people who get on your nerves. It's very common and you can hear it a lot in Turkish dramas. Turkish friends use this word to joke with each other. But be careful. Use it only with the people that you are close with. Melike'den notlarını istedim, vermedi.
Melike vermez. Çok gıcık.
Hocam biliyor musunuz? Sizi okulda ilk gördüğümde çok gıcık biri olduğunuzu düşünmüştüm. Hocam biliyor musunuz? Sizi okulda ilk gördüğümde çok gıcık biri olduğunuzu düşünmüştüm.
Do you know any other slang words in Turkish? If so, please write them down in the comment section. And don't forget to download the PDF summary that we have prepared for you. I hope you liked this lesson. If you want to learn Turkish, don't forget to check our courses on our website turkishle.com. Kendine iyi bak. Görüşürüz.